Losing a loved one is one of life's most challenging experiences. Amidst the grief, families often face the overwhelming legal process of probate. Please note, this video is for informational purposes only and is not legal advice. Navigating these legal waters doesn't have to be endlessly complex. Enter the Uniform Probate Code, or UPC. It's a standardized set of laws designed to simplify the probate process, offering clarity during a difficult time. Navigating the probate process after losing a loved one can feel like wandering through a tangled maze. The Uniform Probate Code, or UPC, was created to straighten that path. Developed by the Uniform Law Commission, the UPC is a set of model laws designed to standardize and modernize the probate system. Before the UPC, handling an estate was notoriously slow and overly complicated. The introduction of these model laws gave states a blueprint to bring uniformity to the legal framework governing wills, trusts, and intestacy. To achieve this modernization, the Uniform Probate Code focuses on 5 key objectives. It aims for simplification of the legal steps, efficiency to speed up the timeline, cost reduction to preserve the estate's value, flexibility to handle unique family situations, and strict protection for heirs, beneficiaries, and creditors alike. When navigating probate, it is crucial to understand that the Uniform Probate Code is not a federal law. There is no nationwide probate system governed by Washington. Instead, probate is strictly a matter of state law. For the Uniform Probate Code to apply, an individual state legislature must actively choose to enact it. Currently, 18 states have fully or significantly adopted the Uniform Probate Code. These include Alaska, Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Hawaii, Idaho, Maine, Maryland, Michigan, Minnesota, Montana, Nebraska, New Mexico, North Dakota, South Carolina, South Dakota, Utah, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. In these jurisdictions, probate proceedings are generally more streamlined. However, even among adopting states, significant variations exist. A state might implement certain sections of the code while modifying others to fit local legal traditions. Because of these distinct nuances, it is absolutely essential to consult with a qualified local estate attorney. Always verify the current legal status in your state. One of the biggest advantages of the Uniform Probate Code is its simplified probate procedures. Instead of drowning in mountains of paperwork, the code streamlines the entire process. It introduces informal probate, allowing undisputed estates to navigate the system quickly with minimal court involvement. It also offers small estate administration, a faster track for estates under a certain value, such as $50,000, saving families valuable time and money. The code provides flexible administration options tailored to each estate. Most qualify for unsupervised administration, where the representative handles affairs independently, checking in with the court only when needed. But for complex estates or when conflicts arise, supervised administration is available. This ensures a probate judge formally oversees the process, providing strict guidance and accountability when families need it most. Beyond efficiency, the code prioritizes enhanced protection for heirs and beneficiaries. It mandates strict notice requirements, ensuring everyone involved is fully informed about the estate proceedings and their legal rights. If someone suspects undue influence, the code outlines standardized procedures for will contests. This offers a fair, structured environment to resolve disputes and protect the deceased's true intentions. Dealing with an estate's debts can be stressful, so the code establishes a streamlined creditor claims process. It sets strict time limits for creditors to come forward, protecting the estate from unexpected claims years later. It also creates a clear hierarchy for paying those debts. Essential costs like funeral expenses take top priority, followed by taxes, and finally other unsecured debts, creating a clear roadmap. Finally, the code features modernized intestacy laws for those who pass away without a will. Recognizing that family structures have evolved, these updated rules provide fairer asset distribution for blended families and stepchildren. Most importantly, the code significantly increases the portion of the estate that automatically goes to a surviving spouse, ensuring they remain financially secure in the immediate aftermath of their loss. Navigating the probate process under the Uniform Probate Code can seem overwhelming, but it generally follows a clear, step-by-step path. The journey begins with filing the petition. This involves submitting the necessary documents, such as the original will and a death certificate, to the probate court in the county where the deceased lived. Once the petition is filed, the court appoints a personal representative, often named in the will as the executor. This individual is granted the legal authority to manage the estate. Their first major responsibility is to notify all interested parties. This includes mailing notices to heirs and beneficiaries, as well as publishing a public notice in a local newspaper to alert any unknown creditors. With the legal groundwork laid, the personal representative must then identify, gather, and protect all the assets of the estate. This step, known as inventory and appraisal, requires meticulously cataloging everything from real estate and bank accounts to personal valuables like jewelry and classic cars. Often, professional appraisers are brought in to determine the accurate market value of significant assets. Before any assets can be handed over to the beneficiaries, the estate's financial obligations must be settled. The personal representative reviews all claims from creditors, pays legitimate debts, and ensures all final income and estate taxes are filed and paid. This is a critical step to prevent any future legal liabilities for the heirs. Finally, after all debts and taxes are cleared, the remaining assets are distributed to the beneficiaries according to the will or state law. Once the distribution is complete, the personal representative submits a final accounting to the court, detailing every financial transaction. With the court's approval, the estate is officially closed, bringing the probate process to a final, orderly conclusion. While the Uniform Probate Code simplifies many aspects of estate administration, it is not a magical cure-all. You may still face several challenges along the way. First, remember that not all states have adopted the UPC in its entirety. Even in states that have, there can be specific local variations. This means the rules in one UPC state might differ slightly from another. Additional hurdles often arise with complex estates, especially those involving multiple properties, business interests, or significant assets. Family disputes are another common challenge. Emotions run high after a loss, and disagreements over the distribution of assets or the interpretation of a will can quickly complicate the probate process. Navigating creditor claims can also be tricky. As the personal representative, you must properly notify creditors and settle valid debts before distributing assets, which can lead to unexpected delays. People often ask if probate is always required or how long it takes. The answer to both is that it depends heavily on the size of the estate and whether these types of complications arise. Because of these potential pitfalls, seeking professional legal assistance is highly recommended. A qualified probate attorney can guide you through the intricacies of your specific state's laws, mediate disputes, and ensure that you fulfill all your legal responsibilities as an executor, protecting you from personal liability. Finding the right help is crucial. Start by asking for referrals from friends or financial advisors. You can also search online for a probate attorney near you, or consult your state bar association's directory for certified specialists. Websites like probateus.com can also be valuable resources for connecting with experienced legal professionals in your area. The Uniform Probate Code significantly simplifies the probate process, making a difficult time a little easier for families. Just remember that its application varies from state to state. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment with your questions. For additional resources and to find your local probate courts, visit funeralus.com. We are here to help.